Hello there, I'm Barry Robinson for Scarborough TV News. My journey has taken me to Dale Power Solutions today. I'm with Mike Coates. Now Mike, you are a trainee here. Tell me your exact title.
I'm an electrical design apprentice for Dale Power.
So what does that mean?
Basically I design the systems that we build, well the UPS systems, because we build UPS and generators.
What is a UPS
An
system?
uninterruptible power supply. So it's basically simply a big battery charger. It's probably the easiest way to describe it. So yeah, I decided.
Because Dale have been making generators for 80 years.
They have. Obviously we've done all the generators from the beginning, and obviously they've got service into it and a lot of UPS, and we supply all over the world.
And you've won awards.
We've won all the awards that are on the table below us there.
So last year you won the Brathay Award. Tell me about that.
It was quite surprising to win it, to be fair, because we entered it against a lot of big teams like Siemens, BT and Sky. The Brathay Challenge basically involved three parts: the community project, the fundraising and raising awareness. For a community project, we renovated a shelter free down on the South Cliff, which was built in 1841, then got changed to a substation. So we've renovated from what it was as a substation back to how it was in, well, the olden days basically.
That was by Scarborough Spa?
It was. It just literally just stuck Paxton Steps top of Scarborough Spa, yeah.
Yeah. And what's happening this year?
This year, obviously we've got through to the regional, through to the finals now. So we need to do a bit more fundraising for St Catherine's Hospice and the Brathay Challenge, for the Brathay Trust, sorry. And there's a lot, well, obviously we've got to finish our community project off, and we're doing a few more schools visits. I've just organised one now for Whitby Community College. We're going in there and helping a load of kids with apprenticeships and stuff.
You have got a load of awards on this table down here. Yeah. Tell me about them.
We're the top 100 apprenticeship employer, so it means, well, obviously, what it says, in the top 100 for applying apprenticeships. I think there's about, is it 10% maybe of our employees are apprentices, so we've got about 21, 22 apprentices currently.
And we've got Scarborough's MP, Goodwill, coming very shortly.
We have, he's here in about half an hour. He's coming to see what we've done. We're going to tell him everything that's happened, basically what's going to happen. Just a little background into everything we've been up to in the last year.
Well, thanks very much for having a chat.
Cheers, thank you.
I've now been joined by Tim Wilkins. You are the big boss, the chief executive of Dale Power Solutions.
Yes, I certainly am. It's a position that I've had for quite a number of years now, and thoroughly enjoy it.
Yeah, so you must be very pleased and proud of your apprentices, your trainees.
The apprenticeship scheme, we recommenced that in 2004, and we've been building that up over a number of years now, and the awards that we've won over the last few years have been absolutely superb. Last year, Dale Power Solutions was the Apprentice Employer of the Year for the Yorkshire and Humber region, and the apprentices have got through to the final of the Brathay Challenge for this year, which is a tremendous success.
Well, we're now on the shop floor in Dale Power Solutions. As you can see, I've been joined by everybody, the apprentices and our very own MP for Whitby and Scarborough, Goodwill. Robert, this is a fantastic opportunity for all these young people.
Yes, I mean, we've got apprenticeships up and down the country. We've got more apprentices than ever before. We've promised another 3 million in the election, but it's great that the apprentices here from Dales are actually, competing at national level now, and we're very optimistic that they will come back with that trophy and show that not only Yorkshire's the best, but Dales are the best.
Yeah, and I think it's fantastic that you've come to see them.
Yeah, and I mean, also all the other work they do to achieve this, they've been raising money for charity, they've been doing community work, renovating one of the pavilions on the south side. So, it isn't just about what you do in the workplace, it's what you do in the community, and raising money for charity. So it's great news, and I'm pretty sure they're going to do pretty well indeed in this competition in the Lake District.
Yeah. So Tyler, what's it like being an apprentice here?
It's brilliant. It's good fun. You're learning while you earn. It's brilliant. It's better than being sat in a classroom because it's physical, hands-on work.
I like that, learning whilst you earn.
Definitely, yeah. It's a thing we use a lot here.
And Rose?
Yes.
I understand you're graduating in about 3 weeks.
Yeah, well, about 6 weeks left.
6 weeks, wow.
And then, yeah.
So what have you had to do in these, is it 3 years, 4 years?
4 years, bits of everything, really. I've worked on the shop floor here, doing the panel wiring. I've worked in the offices, doing some design work. I'm currently based in the factory at Gristhorpe. We do a lot more mechanical build, like generator build, welding, bits of everything really.
Robert, this is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, because I mean, we hear a lot about students going to university and coming out with a load of debt, but of course, here you earn while you learn,
Yeah.
and there is tremendous demand in the local area for engineering skills. So it's vital that we do have people trained up as apprentices. And of course, in the future, we're going to have our university technical college, so students can start at the age of 14, learning some basic engineering skills, working in conjunction with local employers. I think you're signed up, aren't you, at Dale? So it's going to be really great that we will become a centre of engineering excellence with, we've got Plaxton's here on the doorstep, and the prospect of the potash mine, which will also need lots of engineering skills and standby generators, we hope, for when the power goes off. And also, last time I was here, I was hearing how they can have the sort of control room for a generator. It could be a couple hundred miles away from where the generator actually is, that they can manage them online to make sure that all those generators are ready when they're needed to keep the operating theatre going. Because you wouldn't want to be halfway through your heart operation and suddenly find there was no power in the hospital.
And what's more, it's even better because it's made in Scarborough.
It is, yes. I mean, I'm always very proud when I go around the country and see Scarborough products, particularly on the motorways. You see the Plaxton's coaches, and there'll be lots of places around the country where in the basement there'll be one of your generators, one of these control boxes there, just being ready for if the power goes off to keep that company going or keep that hospital going.
Well, let's give them 12 out of 10.
At least.
Yes,
at
least. Thank you very much, everybody, for having a chat and letting us have a look on the shop floor at Dale Power Solutions. Thank you very much, Robert.
Thank you.
I'm Barry Robinson, out and about for Scarborough TV News.